Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on a Mercedes Sprinter, and I'll show you how I move this intake manifold, because in my previous video I did a smoke test on this Mercedes and it was leaking air from the manifold, and you can see barely like the intake manifold is out, but you can see the inlet valves all dirty, so I need to clean all these bits and I'll show you how I go about it. So this is the before and I'll show you the after, and I'll show you the part I removed. So this is the old part. You can see all clogged up and dirty, and it also is leaking, and these all intake pipes, the valves, throttle mounts, and this is my new one, all ready to go in. And I got my Uber ready to clean those bits. Okay, now this is like a process thing. I still have to clean more, and I'll come back again when I'm done clean all these bits, and I'll show you. Yep, it's coming more better, more cleaning. It needs to go down more, clean everything properly. Yeah, see, I'm there. Yeah, the manifold is in, everything clean. So next is just to put everything back step by step. Let's start it up.